just data recovery service. Our project is supported by Greece, European Union, and the Division of Central Macedonia. So we are a private company, but we do government funded project. So in this work, we first wanted to examine this preliminary investigation, in which cases it would be possible to offer this data recovery services through distance. I have to mention here that we already work in this area for more than 10 years, so we have quite a lot of experience inside data recovery in our workshop, and we also develop a series of data recovery tools which we sell to customers, even to users directly. So at first we chose 120 cases of real data recovery from customers, which we performed inside our workshop, and for which we had full details of full analysis of the process, of the case, of the problem, so we could use this to get some conclusion. We separated them in 10 categories, which were like common between them, and we calculated the percentage of each category in this 120 cases, and also what percentage of these cases we finally managed to recover from each category. It's interesting, the last category where we say we take insufficient data, so we couldn't find out at all what was recovered. So this case is also the case. So from these 10 categories, we separate again into 3 main categories where it's easier to get similar conclusions. So the first category is the most easy, let's say, it's logical errors. It's when the drive is still functioning and the data is still stored there, but for some reason, because user accidentally formatted or for a number of other reasons, the data are not accessible. So in this case, all data are available except those who might have been overlapped. So here, we consider that if we perform this data recovery case to distance, if the user connects this drive in the computer, and have access to his computer, our technician will have the same success rate. So probably we manage to take all of the data, because the process is quite simple. We just run a data recovery software, we will do the right parameters, and we will get everything. So this category represents near 7% of the total cases in our previous table. So the success rates will remain 100%. So already you can say 7% of cases can be done remote. The second case is the biggest one, like in numbers. It's a hardware errors. So here, the experienced technician is required. He must perform actual tasks, actual repairs on the drive. So he has to have the drive in his hands. So our first conclusion was that it's not possible to perform this from distance. Through the time though, now, because this work was done nearly 1 year ago, so today we have a bit more information. So we notice there are some specific cases which, even if it's hardware error, we can do this. But this we will have to publish in another work. So from the previous data, we see that this case, this hardware error, is near 79% of the total cases. So it's very big percentage, which we say we can't perform. And the third category is firmware malfunction. It's the most interesting category, because this category of issues is when the drive has a problem related to this firmware. Firmware is this set of commands of information which tells the drive how to communicate with the computer, how to behave, how to start, how to stop. So it's practically a software problem. But this part of information is stored usually on the hard drive itself, not stored in some chip. Some part can be stored in some chip on the PCB. So if this firmware doesn't work correct, even if everything else on the drive is perfect, it's not possible to access the data. This case is very interesting because we have worked a lot with these firmware problems in the past, and we have developed some specific tools which can very easily repair specific firmware problems, which represent the biggest amount of firmware problems in the market of hard disk drive. So, by taking each case individually from the cases that we had in the previous table, we could estimate that from 83% of cases which we could recover in our workshops, this number would be, if we perform this recovery remotely, this number would be reduced to 17 up to 65%. So we have a serious reduction, but it's part where we would like to work. So here is the proposed system where, through which we suggest that data recovery from distance would be possible. We suggest that we should send to the customer these three things. We should send this device for remote hard disk access, and a set of tools and a set of consumables. This device for remote access is practically, I don't want to say details about this, but practically you connect two hard drives on it. It has two SATA inlets. So one inlet will connect, the user will connect the damaged hard disk drive, and the other he would connect a new one. So our technicians who perform this data recovery process through distance, because the device has to be connected on the internet, and he will transfer from the damaged drive the data to the new drive. The other two sets that we sent, it's this firmware repair toolkit, which has to be specific for the drive of the user. So we have to have this interaction with the user first to know what hard disk drive he has and what the symptoms are. And a set of thermal paste and soldering plugs. Because sometimes these drives can get, because if they get a lot of data transfer, they can get very warm. So we have a proposed technique to give instructions to the user how to use this thermal paste to transfer the heat from the drive to the environment. And keep it cold. Excuse me?
Last minute. 1 minute.
1 minute? So it should be fast. Okay, so in order to confirm our results, we had a collaborator in China who offered us operators and remote computers for remote access. And to this collaborator, we sent this DFS toolkit. This DFS is a specific toolkit designed to repair firmware problems with COMPUTATIONal hard disk drive. So we chose from our workshop 6 drives, 3 of type Barracuda LP and 3 of type 7200.11, which were diagnosed with firmware issue, which would be repairable with this toolkit, this DFS. So this collaborator provided us this remote access computer, but also provided us 3 operators who had different knowledge in English and in technical skills with computers. So each operator had to repair 2 drives, one of each type. For the first type, the process was quite simple. You just had to connect the fault drive to the USB adapter, and then our technician would perform the repair remotely through the software. For the second type, it was a bit more complicated. He had to remove the PCB, the operator, and put a special mask, connect it again, and perform some simple connections and disconnections to the drive through the process with the instructions of our technician. So the results confirmed our expectations. All 6 drives were repaired by the operators, and the data was possible to be recovered through our suggested techniques. The problem was, what made the difference was the level of knowledge in English of the operator. So, because some commands could be misunderstood through the process, and absolutely performed the wrong, we consider we gave the correct command. The conclusion. So the conclusion is that it is possible to do such remote data recovery until now. It was possible to do through software. There are some software to do, but they only covered 7% of the show at the beginning. So with our technique, we practically put the technician there through this method. And we are convinced that this stuff is useful not only for our industry, for IT industry in general, but also in other industries where high-tech solution providers are seeking ways to offer their services through distance. So they can use our work as a guide to develop their own techniques.
equation from your end.